Hi, my name is Kelly. I'm a co-owner of the Broken Crust. There's four of us, my husband and I, and two of our friends. We're in Putnam, Connecticut, and we opened our restaurant right 8 days before COVID hit. So we opened in March of 2020. We made it through somehow, some way. Probably our great food. Everything's fresh. We have specialties pizzas, and it's kind of like a bakery pizza. So it's not your Greek, it's not your Italian. It's more like a bakery crust dough. We have all kinds of specialty pizzas. We have a BOS, which is one of our best pizzas. It's a bacon, onion, and spinach. We have deli sandwiches, all fresh, nothing frozen here. We have homemade soups. We have gluten-free options, and our case is filled with whoopie pies and muffins and cinnamon rolls and cookies, spinach pies. We're all from Rhode Island, so we bring in the Rhode Island pizza strips, which is pizza crust with just a sauce and some Parmesan cheese on top, and we eat it cold. Okay, so our pickles are homemade. You can't beat them. You'll get them with every sandwich. You can buy them in one of the soup cup here, and all kinds of stuff in there, as you can see. We decided to come to Putnam because it's an amazing little town. The people are all here for each other. We've got the district that we're in is downtown Putnam, so we've got all kinds of antiques and restaurants, and they do all kinds of events. Every weekend there's some kind of event between, it might be water fire, an antique car show, but they always have some kind of an event going on in Putnam, so it keeps us really busy. We would love to have you out if you haven't been here. Of course, we love having our regulars here all the time, but if you haven't been here, we would love you to come out and give us a try. Our staff is amazing, our cooks are amazing, and you're going to get amazing service.